In this video we will show you how to remove install would like to control this computer pop-up using Combo Cleaner. Install wants to control system events is a fake operating system's pop-up message that is used to trick Mac OS users to allow install to control the system events. Once the permission is given, infection gains access to data and documents stored in the system events and will be able to perform various actions using the app itself. Install wants to control system events uses a deceptive installer that bundles various unwanted apps. Installation of additional adware or browser hijackers are usually hidden in custom, advanced or other similar settings of the software setup processes. Reckless installation of free software can easily end up in installation of various adware and potentially unwanted applications. To avoid installation of unwanted applications, always pay attention to the installation steps of any application that you are trying to install on your Mac. If you're seeing install wants to control system events systems pop-up message, there is a chance your Mac is infected by adware. In this case, we recommend to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Visit combocleaner.com. Download and install antivirus for Mac. Double-click Combo Cleaner DMG file to mount it. Drag and drop Combo Cleaner to Applications. When installation finishes, close all windows and open your Launchpad to start Combo Cleaner. Confirm your actions by clicking Open. Wait until database update finishes and select premium feature called Antivirus. Select Full Scan and click Start Scan. Combo Cleaner scans your system and detects all infected files. Once the computer is scanned, click Remove All Threats. You will be prompted to authenticate with administrator password to remove the existing applications. To finish cleaning process, Combo Cleaner prompts you to restart your Mac. Click Restart Now. In some rare case, you may find potentially unwanted applications icon under Application folder. These apps are no longer active. Drag and drop them to trash. Thank you for watching.